Okay, we're gonna just continue the video, and this one is gonna be kind of long, so 'cause I want to make sure that I continue to record this session. And okay, so in this video we're gonna talk about the AND operator, and let me just screen. Okay, so the AND operator is basically my camera keeps hiding. It's really bugging me. Let's see, float on top. Okay. There we go. Okay, so sorry about that. Wait, I know it's just Mac is just awesome, and so basically, let's just try quickly an example of what AND is. It's not something that if you need to have like two conditions. So it says the where can clause can contain one or more and one or many AND operators. So basically, what that means is, again, gotta use the right terminology. Is the operator. The where clause, so the where is a clause, can contain one or more many AND operators. Okay, so here we go. So let's look at their example, what they have. So it says select star from customers, again selecting the whole database, where country, so we use the country clause, equals Spain, and like they enter, and customer name like G. Okay, so the like operator is kind of far from this. Like is all the way over here, so we gotta go through a lot of material to even get to the like option, but for some reason they have entered this. But like is basically what that means is the customer name starts with the G. So this is also another important thing. Like is very important operator. So you put the quotations and then you put the letter, and then but that you do put the percent sign. So there's a syntax for that too, but just remember that's what that means. Like so if you enter like, that means it's you want the customer's name to start with the G. As you can see, it says Galleria Gordos. So you run it, and then okay, but basically like here I probably don't want to use this. Like let's just restart fresh and I'll use a couple of examples and I'll move on. Here we have the entire database, but so you remove the quotations, the semicolon, sorry, and then where, let's just say city and city equals Berlin and what else do I want? Okay, countries equal Germany. let's see. Okay, so you can run this, and so now we have a customer that's from the city Berlin and Germany. So this is how you do the and operator. Okay, and then we'll move on to the next one because there's a lot to cover. And okay. So we try the and now we'll try the or. So or, like whether you like, basketball or you like baseball, right? You either like cricket or you like football, like either one of those options, right? So that's what or operator is, and these are called operators. And then we can read their definition. It says the where clause can contain one or more or operators. The or operator is used to filter records based on one or more than condition. On more than one condition, if you want to return all customers from Germany, but also those from Spain. So we'll look at their example real quick. Let's run this. Okay, so now you can see, so the country is Germany or country is equal to Spain. So we are only getting the countries that are from either Germany or country is equal to Spain. So I think we can see the USA. Okay, so we do have USA. Over Mexico. Let's try this. Okay, so now we either have the customers either that are USA or Mexico. Let's just say what we get, probably this country it's not there. What other like we can put Canada. Is there anyone from okay, so there is a customer that is from Canada. What else we should Norway, because I want to see if we get a null. Actually do have from some, okay, let's try China. Okay, so there's none. Okay, so we won't show you that. Okay, let's move on from the or operator to not. So what is the not operator? The not. The not operator is used in combination with other operators to give the opposite result, also called the negative result. In the select statement below, we want to return all customers that are not from Spain. Okay, let's quickly look at the example. So pretty simple operator again. Select star from customers, you select the entire database, right? And then where not country is equal to Spain. So we don't want the customers that are from the Spain. So it's going to show all the countries that are from Spain. So let's just say we don't want any customers showing in our database, in our filtering the records from USA. So now what it's going to do, we ran it and there's going to be no one from the USA. Here we go. So not is basically that you do not want to include anyone that specific result in that in your query. Okay, so now we move on to actually I'm going to stop the video right here and we'll move on to actually I'll make a separate video about these insert into, null values, update, delete, select top. Actually, the topic I actually want to cover is the aggregate functions. Those are more important because the select, insert into, null values, update. delete. Okay, we're gonna stop right there and see you guys in the next video.